Hi, good morning. The name is Michael Vinmakconsult, and I'm your usual business coach. It's another Monday morning. Please get up and go and make some money. Very, very important. Okay, so this morning, what are we discussing? I want us to look at support from family and friends. Support from family and friends. But if today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification button for more. Also share for others to enjoy. Now, for our topic, support from family and friends. You see, we all come from families, at least. You have one sibling, you have a mother, you have a father, you have uncles, and you have friends. Do they patronize your product? Do they patronize your services? The business you are into, do they give you money? If they don't support your business. And that's the reality. They can praise you, they can say all the nice things about your business. They can encourage you in words. But in business, it's action, it's money. So if they are not giving your money to you, they are not supporting your business. And don't listen to them. And our families, our friends, you need to patronize our products. For example, I sell local rice, and you continue eating imported rice, and yet every day you are praising me. Oh, you are doing well, your business is doing well, I like your decision. No, I don't listen to those ones. And also make sure you don't listen to those ones. Encourage your friends. If they really believe in their dream, they should put their money in it. They should buy from you. They should patronize your services. They should patronize your goods. If it's not good, or if there is a challenge with the product, they should tell you so that you improve on them. Feedback, very, very important. For example, my clients, my customers, they sell shea butter, they sell local rice. Because of that, for a very long time, for almost 10 years now, I use shea butter. I'm not using any imported cream or pomade. And I use a lot of local products. Those are from women that I support. And I encourage everybody to do that. One simple thing we don't do, and I'll bring it to your attention, is that you have a friend who is into business. Share the flyer on your status. Share the flyer to your network on Facebook or WhatsApp. You will not do that. You will go and be uploading videos of gospel musicians. You are promoting their business in the name of religion. Support your own. Support your friends. Just share that flyer on your status. You may not know. You will get 1 or 2 clients in your cycle, which will push his or her business forward. So let's learn to support in very small ways. But for that business person, it's very significant. Very, very significant. Let's learn to support our own. It will not cost you anything to share a flyer of a friend or a family member on your status. It won't cost you anything. It won't cost you anything to share it on Facebook. It won't cost you to share it on your timeline or share it among your network. It won't cost you anything to talk about a product of your friend to another friend. But it will go a long way to promote that person's business. These are little things we can do to support our friends. These are little things we can do to give business to our family members. And we'll pray for you and we'll thank you greatly because it means a lot to us. Again, if today is the first time you are on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and share for others to enjoy. Thank you, and let's help support our businesses to grow.